MLM dashboard. I'm not using my affiliate dashboard this time around. Now, looking at this particular word referral link. This is your referral link. So on your dashboard, you have this. So all you need to do is just click on it. And when you click on it, you have the first name, last name, username, password, email, and phone number. Those are the details you collect from whoever you want to register. Then you pick, if you are using your MLM account, you use your MLM account. And if you are using your affiliate, just click on this and tap affiliate. It will automatically go to affiliate. Then you send money for code. When you send money for code, you copy and paste the code here, agree to terms and conditions, and sign up. That's all. So please don't go and use register on the website. Use your referral link. If you use register, if you use this register now, you have dashed the website 1 4, because you see there's no referral link here. Can you see there's nothing like referred by? So please make sure you use your referral link.